Hello. Today's video for EzStamp will be on how to properly use the plate number block and plate number coil tabs in EzStamp. The US and Canada editions of EzStamp have comprehensive built-in databases of plate number blocks as well as plate number coils for the USA. In fact, over 45,000 plate number block entries exist in the USA database alone. In these databases, there are some fields that are reserved for our supplied updates and should not be altered by customers. Some users are changing those fields without realizing what can happen on an update. So let's explain. I have inventoried two stamps in the USA database, namely Scott number 550 and number 1898 to demonstrate. So here's number 550. I have a hinged very fine copy. And here's number 1898 with a never hinged extra fine copy. For number 550, I've entered a plate number block with some comments where I have placed the comment in the proper area in the comments field. I have a plate block of this stamp here with some blind perfs and want to make note of this. Again, some users are entering information in the notes field instead of the comments field. For clarity, I have used the field display filter to put the comments and location fields next to the notes field so it will be easier to show the issue. Let me show you how I did that. You simply right click anywhere in the tab area, in the empty area, hit field displays, and then you can move the notes field and comments field wherever you like, but I moved the comments and locations field up. They used to be near the bottom, and it just helps make it easier so you don't have to scroll. So this is where the comments and location field, previously they were off to the right hand side. So now, excuse me, for plate number 12427, I will enter notes in the notes area that there are blind perfs, and I will also show you how I made the entry in the comments field. This is where they should go. So if you right click on that item and click edit selected, you will come up to this screen, and I'm going to type in here blind perfs. And click OK and save it. So now we have entered a comment or notes in the notes area where we should not, and this is where the comment should have gone. At this point, things seem okay, but the issue will be clear when we do an update to the data. Let's do that now. To perform an update, we go to File, Country Data File Utilities, Pricing Supply Data Update. And I will leave everything as the default. It's going to update the PNB data and prices, and it's going to keep our custom prices. So I click Update, and we'll go through the entire database and apply everything. So this would be after a purchased update. And then if we recall that stamp now, you'll see that the notes area has been cleaned out because that is a supplied field, and it was initially blank and it put it back to blank. Notice how the comments field though was left intact, which is where you should be entering any comments or notes that you have. This is explained in the manual and help files, and I'll show you where. You go to File, do the update, and just hit F1. And if you scroll down right here, it says all pre-supplied plate numbers and pre-supplied notes are updated when we do an update. So again, you should not be putting your comments in the supplied notes area. Similarly, in the PNC tab, again, you do not want to enter any comments here or edit this in any way. What you want to do is put it in the comments field which I think I may have moved it over. There it is right here. And again, you can just move it up. So if you go to Field Display Filter, you can find the comments right here and then just move it up so it's more visible, so you don't have to scroll over. In summary, remember to not alter the notes field for any supplied PNB or PNC databases. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll be adding more soon.